Okay, so we have triangle FGH is an isosceles. Isosceles right means it's going to look like this, right? Right triangle means we're going to have a hypotenuse. Isosceles means two sides are equal, so this side is obviously going to be equal to this side since the hypotenuse has to be longer than the other sides, right? So it has a hypotenuse of 8 root 2, right? So let's go, this is 8 root 2. We want to know the area of the triangle. You can know these ratios, right? So in an isosceles, right, or also called a 45-90, you can know that it's x root 2, right? So if this is 8 root 2, my x is 8, making this 8, making this 8, right? Now the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64, times 1/2 is 32. So that would be answer choice B. Now if you didn't know those ratios, you still could have solved this with the Pythagorean theorem, because this is x and this is x, right? So I could have said x squared plus x squared is, right, c squared, which is 8 root 2 squared, which is 2x squared, equals 8 root 2 squared is 64 times 2, which is 128, right? So divided by 2, I'd get x squared equals 64, making each side equal to 8, right? That's a roundabout way of getting that these are equal to 8. So you might want to memorize this. If you're taking an SAT or a PSAT, they will have these ratios in the little on the front page of each math section. They'll tell you the ratios for these. Usually don't even use these on the SAT, but they won't tell you this on the ACT. So you would have to know these ratios or literally use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for it. So answer choice B.